Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, it's another year for making vlogs, and what more to start off your vlog by having a very good quality video. Hey, what is up guys? My name is Paul and I do camera gadget reviews here on this channel. But right now we are actually talking about something different, something that is very important, whatever camera you use. Okay, so have you noticed that when you make your videos, sometimes your videos would end up a little bit too warm, or sometimes it'll actually end up a little bit too cool for your taste, or sometimes even in a bit odd of a color. Sometimes there's a bit of a magenta haze to it. Now, the reason for me asking this is actually one of the things that you could do to improve your video qualities is actually fiddling up with your white balance. So your usual cameras already has a standard set of settings of white balance in your shots, be it if it's daylight mode, or if it's under the shade, or if you're using tungsten light or even fluorescent light. But here's the thing, your cameras only show you white balance that are in accordance with their algorithms. So you can actually find some of their settings a little bit too warm or sometimes a little bit too cool. So with custom white balance, you'll be able to tweak those small elements in order to produce accurate colors on your shots. So how do you set up your custom white balance on your Canon camera? Well, it's pretty easy, but you're gonna need another accessory to help you out with that. Now, I have here a grade card which should actually help us to custom our white balance. Now, all you have to do with this grade card is make sure that this is on the center of your screen and simply take a picture of it. After that, you go to the menu screen and then go to your camera settings. It's the first option on your Canon, and go further away and you can see there you have your custom white balance. Click on that, and after that it'll show you the last picture that you've taken. So all you need to do is press set on it, and after that go back out to your menu settings. Now on the main screen, all you have to do is press your set button or your center button and go to white balance. As you can see there, currently my setting is on auto white balance, but then try moving the toggles all the way to those two right angle triangles with the square on the top, which is your custom white balance, and then press set. And that, my friends, is how you set your custom white balance on your Canon camera. Anyways guys, it's just a short video, but it's a very helpful short video. Otherwise, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and also hit that bell icon for any more future notifications. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a happy new year.